Boss wants you to be a getaway driver. Nick a car and then pick up Ron and Trey. Okay, now go and pick up Ron and Trey.
Yeah, right. I'm Ron, he's Trey.
Get back to the pickup point. Okay, now wait for Ron and Trey.
Right, take us down the back. Here, stop here. Wait here.
Where the hell are you going? Get back to the bank. Right, now stay put and wait for Ron and Trey.
What are you doing? Get back in the car, Howie.
Okay, now stay in the damn car.
What are you doing? Get back in the car, Howie.
Okay, now stay in the damn car.
Oh, Mr. 1 hour withdrawal limiter. Get at Harry's garage now. Put your sudden foot down. What are you doing? Get back in the car, Howie. A job well done. Here's your cut. A cool 150 grand.
Get back to the phones for some more missions. A rival's been trying to expand into our territory. He's been stealing our best men in the process. The boss wants him dead. Go pick up the van filled with explosives to the east of the city and park it outside his house. Right, now park it outside the bastard's house. Get the hell out of there! She's gonna blow! Oh yeah! Look at that baby bird! Don't you just love getting payback? Anyway, here's your cut. Head to the phone for more missions.